Hey everybody, today we got an unboxing from the Cubicle. This is going to be the Hays7, so let's just get right into it. So we got some kind of business card here, and we got the cube, some kind of receipt. So I won't be able to use this cube until probably December when I go to SkillCon. But yeah, hopefully I can improve my times. Some stuff and some kind of card. And oh, looks like there's some extra magnets and some kind of I don't know what those rings are. And this is the magnetic version, by the way. Feels pretty nice. Magnets are a little bit weaker than I thought they were gonna be. But yeah. And it appears like the stronger ones are in the middle, so that'll be nice. Because on my Wuji M, sometimes when I turn this layer, sometimes this would go with it, which would be a bit annoying. But yeah. It might need to be tightened a little bit. It does seem a little bit loose, and it could use some lube. So, yeah. So we'll see how it goes, and now you can watch a solve of it.
So as you're watching me do a solve on my new Hays7, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the cube and give you an update on what's going on. So starting off with the cube, it's a really nice cube. My only problem I have is that the shades are a little bit dark, and if you're cubing in bad lighting, that could be a problem. But other than that, it's really nice, and I can turn really fast on it without feeling it's going to pop or explode like my Wuji would do sometimes. And I feel like I get lockups a lot less on this cube than on the Wuji, and it's really nice, and I'm sure I'm going to drop my times pretty soon once I get used to it. So anyway, it's really nice and I would highly recommend it. And as for an update on what's going on, next week I'm actually going to be starting college, and for those of you wondering, I'm going to be studying physics at Cal Poly in San Luis Obispo, California. So that does mean that my video production might go down because I'll have less time on my hands to make videos, but I will still try to make videos as much as I can while I'm there. And as for competitions, I cannot go to Berkeley summer this year, unfortunately, due to a school conflict. But on the more positive note, I do have two competitions coming up this year. I have Basque 12 in San Francisco, and I'm most likely going to be going to SkillCon again in Las Vegas. And I'm also going to look into holding competitions at Cal Poly, so we'll see how that goes. So that's all I have here in terms of an update. So thank you guys for watching this video, and enjoy the rest of the solve. Bye.